Today my research topic is ranking of product in e-store using Vosbus method. Introduction. Online marketing place contains millions of products. Customer decision rely highly of reviews and ratings. Informative overload, complicated product selections. Decision support systems are need for ranking. Research problem. Customers struggles to compare multi-product attribute. Manual evaluations of reviews is inefficiency. Needed for systematic multi-criteria evaluation. Ranking models can support intelligent product selection. Research objective. Evaluation product use multi-decision criteria. I will apply Vosbus method, weighted, aggregated sum product assessment, method for ranking alternatives, calculated performance scores using WSM and WPM, identify the most suitable product in alternatives. I will choose 5 criteria: online reviews, online rating, number of purchase, product ranking, and number of returns. First 3 criteria is benefit criteria, last 2 criteria non-benefit criteria. Next. Now see product 1, product 2, product 3, product 4, product 5 is alternative. Online is many products seeing, so I will particular not choose. So product I will take product 1, product 2, product 3, product 4, product 5. And this column is products. This row is reviews. The criteria. Now see data set 3 benefit criteria mostly highest value and non-benefit criteria is lowest value. Next. Vosbus method overview. Vosbus combine additive and multiplicative evaluation models, integrated weight sum model WSM and weighted product model WPM improves accessory of ranking result. Next. Step 1. Normalization. Decision matrix convert into decimal values. Also compare across different units. So normalization will compute using ratio method, products performance matrix. Now see benefit criteria normalization formula. Now and non-benefit criteria normalization formulas. Benefit criteria normalization formula is Rij equal to Xij by maximum Xij. Non-benefit criteria normalization formula is Rij by equal to minimum Xij by Xij. Where Xij is a original value, Rij is a normalization value, max Xij is maximum value of criterion column, minimum Xij is a minimum value of criteria column. Next. Now see all values convert 0 to 1. Next. Criteria weights. Each criterion assessing equal importance. Weighted value use 0.20. Weighted represented inclusion of criteria used in both WSM and WPM calculation. Weighted sum model WSM. Additive evaluation method. Normalization value multiplied by weights. Scores summed for each alternative. Higher score indicated better performance. equal sigma Wij into Rij. Wj is equal to weight of criteria J. Rij is a normalized value. Qij1 is equal to WSM performance score. Next. Now seeing WSM weighted normalized decision matrix for table. Next. WSM performance score. I will calculate WSM formula using. Next. Now seeing WPM weighted product model, multiplicative evaluation approach. Different WPM was different. WSM is multiple evaluated approach. WSM is additive and or WPM is multiplicative. Normalized values raised to weighted power product multiplied for each alternative generated multiplicative performance score. Next. WPM formula Qi2 is equal to 6 pi Rij inverse Wj pi indicated product operator used to capture multiplicative effect productive complementary ranking measures. Next. This table is WPF normalized decision matrix table. Next. WPM performance score calculated previous formulas. Next. This was WPF aggregation. Final scores combine WSM and WPM result. Lambda coefficiency balance both models. Common values lambda is equal to 0.5. Product finally ranking score. Next. Calculation of Wasser's coefficiency. Wasser's coefficiency Qi is equal to lambda Q1 plus 1 minus lambda Qi2. Qi1 is equal to WSM score. Qi2 is equal to WPM score. Lambda is equal to 0.5. Example calculator Q1 is equal to WSM from 0.5 into 0.71071 is equal product 1 WSM score and plus 1 minus 0.5 0.77869. This value is WPM product 1 score. Now Q1 value 0.70016. Next. I calculated all product WSM coefficiency. Now see, first one is equal to product 5. Value is 0.74454. Last one equal is 0.65338. Result and discussion. Product 5 achieved highest Wasser score, so it is first rank. Product 1 ranked second. Product 4 is third. Product 3 obtained lowest rank. Conclusion. Coefficiency rank product using multi-criteria combined strength of additive and multiplicative models, productive reliable decision support applicable to many decisions problems. Thank you.